Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to create a Shopify partner account, then this video is for you. You have to do is you have to open your browser and simply search for Shopify partner. Simply click on it and you can find become a Shopify partner today. Simply click on it and you can find this web page where you can find a button that become a partner, and simply click on become a partner and it will show you the steps. First you have to create a Shopify account first. So I'm going to simply click on sign up, and here you can see some Gmail. So I'm going to use my Google account, one of my Google account from here. So heading back to Shopify. So here you can see how would you like to get started as a partner. So this type you can get some questions and you have to answer it wisely that you want to be as a partner on Shopify. Now you can do is you can create and set up a new partner organization, or you can join an existing partner organization. So for example, you want to create one. Now what's your main focus as a Shopify partner? That you can actually build new Shopify store for clients, build apps, build themes for the Shopify theme store, provide services for existing businesses or other. So I'm going with this one. You can choose your one, your preferred one. Then simply click on next. Now where is your business located? You have to select your country from here. So I'm going to select my country from here and simply click on next. And after that you have to add your business name, your job title, the address, your address of your business, then city, the zip and postal code, the business email address, the LinkedIn profile URL. This is actually the optional. Facebook URL, this is also optional, but phone number is mandatory. Now I'm going to after if you complete all of this perfectly, after that you have to confirm and agree with their partner program agreement. Simply click on this checkbox and you simply don't need to do anything complicated. Simply click on this create partner organization and you are good to go. But before that, make sure that you have just confirm your business email address, your phone number and your addresses also. So that's how you can just get a verified Shopify partner account and you can work with Shopify. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.